Hi everyone. In this session, we will discuss about cannibals, missionaries problem. So, cannibals are nothing but human eaters. Okay, cannibals are the people who eat anything and everything. Okay, and missionaries are nothing but they are the normal human being, very good human being. We simply call them as missionaries. Cannibals are nothing but they are the human eaters. Okay, they eat anything or everything. Okay. So here, this also comes under the constraint satisfaction problem. This also an example for the missionaries and cannibals problem is also an example for constraint satisfaction problem. Here the constraints is we have 3 missionaries. These are 3 missionaries and these are the 3 cannibals. Okay. So what we have to do is these 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals are at the one end of the river. They are at the one end of the river. This is river. And they have a boat available. This boat can accommodate only 2 people at a time. Okay. This boat can accommodate only 2 people at a time. Okay. So by using this boat, what we have to do is we have to take all these 6 fellows, 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals. We have to take all these 6 persons to the other end of the river. Okay, they are at one end of the river. Other end of the river, we have to take these 6 persons to the other end of the river. Okay, in doing that, the main constraint is at any cost, the number of cannibals should not be greater than the number of missionaries. So at any cost, the number of cannibals should not be greater than the number of missionaries. If it's so, if it happens, so the cannibals will eat the missionaries. If the number of cannibals are 2 and if the missionary is 1, these two cannibals will eat the missionary. The number of missionaries may be more than the number of cannibals, no problem. But at any instant, the number of cannibals should not be more than the number of missionaries. They both can be equal in number. Okay. Now, in that, what we will do? Right. First, we will take, so all the 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals are at one end of the river and boat is here. Okay. Right. Now, let us suppose 2 cannibals entered into the boat and now the boat is this side. 2 cannibals are there. Here 3 missionaries and 1 cannibal is there. Okay. And now 1 cannibal will come. 1 cannibal will come this side. Okay. Now what happens? Now the boat is here. 3 missionaries, 2 cannibals. Here 1 cannibal is there. Now these 2 cannibals will move, will step into this boat and will come this side. Now the boat will be here. 3 cannibals are here. 3 missionaries are here. Right. 3 cannibals are at one end and 3 missionaries are another end. Now what happens? Now the boat will come this side. 3 missionaries, 1 cannibal, because cannibal will come in that boat. Okay, the boat itself cannot come now. That's why the cannibal will step into that boat and he will come this side. Right. So here 2 cannibals are there. Now what happens is, now 2 missionaries will step into this. 2 missionaries will step into this. So now the boat will be here. 2 cannibals, 2 missionaries, 1 missionary, 1 cannibal are here. Okay, right? Now what happens is, now 1 cannibal and 1 missionary will step into this boat. 1 cannibal and 1 missionary will step into this boat and they will come this side. Now the boat is this side. So 2 missionaries, 2 cannibals. Why? Because 1 missionary and 1 cannibal stepped into this boat and they came to this end. So now 1 cannibal and 1 missionary is there. Now what happens is, these 2 missionaries will step into this and will come this side. So now the boat is here, 1 cannibal, 3 missionaries. Here 2 cannibals are there. Now this cannibal will go and bring one cannibal, next another cannibal. So like that, the entire thing will be finished. Okay. So this is how the cannibals and missionaries problem can be solved. So cannibals are nothing but they are human eaters. Okay, they eat everything. Okay, whereas the missionaries are nothing but they are very good human beings. Okay, so 3 cannibals and 3 missionaries, 3 missionaries and 3 cannibals are at one end of the river, and we have a boat which is capable of accommodating only 2 persons at a time. Okay, what we have to do is by using that boat, we have to take all the 6 persons to the other end of the river. In doing that, at any instant, the number of missionaries should not be less than the number of cannibals, or the number of cannibals should not be greater than the number of missionaries. If so, if it happens, these cannibals will eat the missionaries. Okay. Without happening that, we have to take all the 6 persons to the other end of the river. This is how we can do it. Okay. With this, we will wind up this cannibals and missionaries problem. Thank you.